Grace in Womanhood, in association with Covenant Women of New Covenant Church, presents Mothers and Sons. In this one-day event, you will learn how to pray effectively for your sons. You will learn how to communicate with your son and resolve conflict in your homes. You will learn how to raise your family in a godly way, and you will learn practical steps in motherhood and parenting. Date: the 26th of July 2014. Venue: St. Andrew's Church, Marylands Drive, Sidcup, Kent, DA14 4RU. There will be 3 sessions on the day, starting at 10 in the morning. Ministering: Pastor Anne Irobe of Hope of Glory International Christian Center, and your host, Minister Ayodele Ibidapo Obe. Successful men often attribute their successes to their mothers. Don't miss this opportunity to make a difference. For more information, visit our web address or call 07868 461 933. See you there.